One of my friend, Mr. Mangesh, residing in Sinnar, which is in Nasik district in Maharashtra. Sometimes I am visiting him while traveling nearby. This time while visit, he told me there is a dairy farm which we should see. This is not a big farm. Today I am introducing you this dairy farm which is having less investment and less running cost. These 2 points are the highlight of this farm to show everyone, those who are interested to make dairy farm or those who are having dairy farm now. Maybe these informations will help you out to reduce the establishing and running cost. In 2016, these brothers, Mr. Shivaji and Samboji, started this farm with 1 cow and a small shed in a place which is Panjali in Sinnar in Nasik district, Maharashtra. Because of their hard work, now they are having 22 cows of good variety. We are seeing the shed which they made for the cows, and now they are using it for the storing materials. Later on, they made the farm in an open area outdoor, which is having plenty of place covered by chain link fencing. In this case, cows are so comfort with this system because they can walk around here and there according their wish. They can have their food and water also their own wish and time. There is separate place for food and water. It is a cylindrical shape of arrangement. Due to that, they can avoid lot of manpower and can save the money, because when it is decreasing, the quantity of balanced food automatically will come down in the center, and it is better arrangement than a square type arrangement. After the milking, all cows are released. Cows' movements are restricted only for milking. Rest of the time, all are free to walk around in the wide area which is covered by fencing. They can walk, having food and water, sleep according their own wish. Might be these cows are so happier than the other dairy farm cows. My point is, much money is not necessary to make big shed for big dairy farm. Of course, in rainy season, there should be some arrangements with a less cost to protect them from the heavy rain. In this area, farmers farming sugarcane for sugar as well as feed for the cows. Sugarcane is one of the main food for the cows. They brought it from the field by tractors, heavy trucks, cut it in small sizes and stored in different mode after mixing salt powder to keep fresh for a long time. As per the daily requirement, they are taking it and serve to the cows. Due to sweet, they are eating very happily and giving back more milk. In this case, cows and dairy farm owners also so happy because cows are getting their favorite food and owners is getting good volume of milk.